Assalamualaikum students, I am your science teacher from Darul Arqam School, Madinatul Hujaj, Koramur campus. I hope you are fine. Students, I am here with a new topic, that is living things. Today we will learn about the living things. On the board you have seen both pictures, living things and also non-living things. First of all, I tell you about the living things. Students, human beings, plants, animals are all living things. They can grow, they can breathe and they can feed. Student, all living things need air to breathe. All living things need food and water to stay alive and to grow. Kids, do you know only living things can grow? Only living things can grow, breathe, feed and have young ones. Kids, on the board you have seen the picture of living things. Plants, animals, human beings, these are all living things. They are all living things. Plants are also a living thing. Animals, lion, elephant, these are all living thing. Human beings also a living thing. They can move, breathe, feed and grow and have young ones. I show another picture. Students, plants are also grow. They can grow. Tiny plants grow into a large tree. Tiny plant grow into a large tree. They need food. They need food, good soil. The good soil is food of plant. Students, they also need water and sunlight to make their own food. In this picture you have seen the animals. These are also living things. They can move, they can breathe, they can grow, they can feed. These are living things. Now kids, you have seen the human beings. Human beings are also living things. They can feed, they can grow, they can move, they can breathe and also they have young ones. Now kids, I tell you non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe. They cannot have young ones. Teddy is non-living thing. Ball is non-living. Doll is non-living. Chair is non-living. Cloud is non-living. And a skateboard is non-living. And also you have at your home many non-living things that are chairs, tables, bed, cupboard, doors. These are all non-living things. They cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot breathe. Kids, here is another picture of non-living things. Here is mountain, hairbrush, socks, table, car, doll. These are all non-living things. They cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot grow. Kids, in this video you have learned about the living and non-living things. I hope this lecture is very helpful for you. Students, now look at the surrounding and tell me what are the living and non-living things there are. That's it. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.